In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Bluetooth is not working on your Windows. So let's get started. First thing is we have to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. So for that, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate system, and that we have to scroll down, and then we need to look for troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Bluetooth with the run button corresponding to it. So click the run button that corresponds to Bluetooth. So what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue, and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So run the Bluetooth troubleshooter and then close this. Next method, we have to click on the start button. Right click. And then here you have to select device manager. Here in the device manager window, we have to simply locate Bluetooth. And here you can find your Bluetooth driver. So once you find your Bluetooth driver, make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, close this. If that didn't work for you, right click again, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the latest driver, or choose one by one as to what will work for you. Click on next. And then close this. Now close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. For the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Now we need to look for the Bluetooth services. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 Bluetooth services from here. What we need to do is we need to make a right click on the Bluetooth service. Click on properties. And here you have to click on the startup type, change that to automatic. Service status, if this is not yet running, click on start button, click on apply, click on OK. And you have to do the same thing for the rest of the Bluetooth services right here. So if you have more than 3 Bluetooth services, simply make a right click and then select properties, startup type, that should be automatic. Click on start. If it is not running, click on apply, click on OK. And then you have to close everything from here. Okay? And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.